We are going to the waterfalls again today, but we're going to be going to different waterfalls which are a lot higher than last week. Got my buoyancy jacket, toe shoes. I'm going to be picking Jason up in about half an hour, so I've got to get ready quick.
You need a towel. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Milo, something tells me you're not just stood there to see how he's doing. Come on, out you go. So I think we're all packed. I've got toe shoes, boxers, t-shirts, socks, towel, joggers because it's going to be raining all day. And then my buoyancy aid. Oh yeah, can you actually? I'm going to chuck this in the car. Come to pick up my compadre for the day. Look how excited he is. You ready to hit some waterfalls?
I'm very excited.
Right. An hour long trip now. You ready for this?
Yeah.
We're at a standstill. We have a turning right, a turning straight ahead, and a turning left. Ooh, I have no idea where to go.
It's like we're in that film, Jurassic Park, waiting for the T-Rex to come.
Are we supposed to jump in a waterfall in this?
It's heavier than it looks.
So I don't know what we're actually going to do. We've had some thunder, we've had some lightning. It's still hammering it down with rain. And we've been excited to come here all week and we want to jump in, but we're worried that jumping in and then being this freezing cold weather, it's going to be bad for us if we've got to do this walk and then be freezing cold for a long time. So we don't know what we're going to do. Wow, I had to switch to the GoPro because it is absolutely soaking out here. But look at all of this. I'm glad we came out because it's not cold, it's just really, really, really wet. But we made the stupid mistake of not looking where the waterfall was on the map, so we're just gonna go down this path and hope it takes us the right way. I was gonna get my AED out, but from where we got out of the car, I thought this trip is just going to be fully with a GoPro. I'm massively impressed by the image stabilization, so I'm just going to chuck everything at this camera today, test all the settings out, and probably do a proper review today and see what this footage comes out like. No, that's an SD card, an extreme one and all. They're waterproof, they are, and a battery.
Yeah, that's what I was on about. I've seen that.
A battery and a memory card. Look at that. There's a swing.
I think we'll have more fun on the way back.
Haven't we? We've passed so many things. How are you going to get the rope to you though?
I quite the rope. Get a stick or something and fish it.
Yeah, that'd be good to jump into. Or over there, jump straight in over there.
Yeah.
We've walked past so many things that we're excited to try, like other waterfalls, swings, jumps, that This waterfall better live up to it, because I'm more excited to get back and try the other things, to be honest, at the moment.
It's massive.
Oh my word. That is serious. Wow. That is no joke. That is nothing like we jumped last week. What the hell?
Yeah.
That is huge.
Right, what's the water saying?
Yeah, this is one big waterfall. The GoPro just isn't showing how big it is. What are you saying?
Saying I don't know where to land. I don't know.
That is high. Oh, that's deep.
Deep enough. Isn't it?
I need to get myself ready for the water. It's time. I just got to get up there, count myself in and jump. No second guessing, no questions asked. There's only like 10 people watching. A hill tiring alone. Jeepers. I'm wasting too much time. I just got to do it. Whew. Let's do this. It's alright until your legs get to the end and they go like jelly. It's only jumping higher than a house, but you can do it. Whew. I've got the jelly hands and the jelly knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! We didn't jump in the waterfall. I don't know what it was. I got to the top and my legs went to jelly, and there was loads of people shouting, saying, "Jump in, jump in!" And that didn't help at all. I didn't know you meant that. You gotta get in now. There we are, it's taking your weight.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love
Your hand slipped, didn't it? Yo people, what did the blind man say as he walked past the fish market? Good morning, ladies.
Bloody drenched.
Should we go back and hit those other jumps?
Yeah. Whew.
That didn't look like it was there then, did it?
God, I parked my car there, or so I thought, and it was gone, we thought, but no, it's there. Whew. My heart sunk then. So we didn't dive. I didn't dive off the waterfall. I don't know what it was. I think there was just so many people there, and everyone was saying, "Do it, jump, jump!" And there was people coming up, and there was people taking photos, and everyone was saying, "Come on, do it!" And I don't know, it just got to me. My legs went to jelly, my hands went to jelly. I don't know what it was. I just couldn't jump. We did do some fun stuff, and I am now shattered. And I cannot wait to have something to eat. Sounded like an eagle, didn't it? Oh. Oh, there. Ah.
It's been a wicked day.
It has been a wicked
Thanks for
day.
picking me up and that. I've enjoyed it, I have.
It was nice to see you again.
It's lovely to see you, Dom.
Well, that was a fun day. I am absolutely shattered now, though. It was so tiring. We had to, okay, camera, that's fine. We had to walk for like 45 minutes just to get to the waterfall, and then we had to walk another 45 minutes to get back. So, as well as jumping on the swing and swimming and just doing all that sort of stuff, I've just been absolutely shattered now. And I know some of you are probably thinking, oh, you went all the way to that waterfall and you didn't jump in, but both me and Jason have never been to that waterfall before. It was the biggest waterfall I've even considered jumping off, and I've been really anxious about those things in the past. So for me to just walk up there and jump in would have been pretty extreme. And like I said, the fact we haven't been there before, not knowing what's under that water is pretty scary. So it would have helped if there was other people there jumping in, but there wasn't. We may have some luck next time. But for now, I'm pretty happy that we didn't jump in, because it was massively unsafe not knowing what was under that water. So I'm glad, but I'm also not glad because it would have been cool for the vlog.